Here I am with Ocado, cooking something that to me feels like a soft ray of spring sunshine. It's a wonderfully lemony, creamy chicken. I like to get the zest off the lemon before I squeeze it. Juice the lemon. Half's enough to make it tender. Half a teaspoon of salt. I use mini fillets for this, and the ones I like best are the M&S Oak and Gold. Mini tongs. So these need about 15 minutes. I'm just going to chop some parsley for later. My favourite colour combo, pink and green. Before I fry these, I'm going to dredge them in a little flour. Get some heat under this pan. This is Ocado olive oil. This is so fabulously quick, but in a sort of laid back, unstressy way, because these mini fillets need just 3 minutes aside. These look just perfect. So while the flame is still off, add the lemon zest, get a bit of unsalted butter, a couple of cloves of garlic. I like to use vermouth here, and some chicken stock. I mean, this is just from a cube. And let this bubble away a bit, just so it's reduced somewhat and syrupy. So while this bubbles a bit, I'm going to get my parsley and measure out some cream. I mean, actually, I'm all for a 3-pour, same amount as the vermouth. And actually, I should have said to you, you can replace the vermouth with white wine, but if you don't want alcohol at all, just use more chicken stock instead of the vermouth. So, some cream. The parsley that I chopped. Go here. Right. Don't mean to keep shouting. I'm gonna hold a bit of the sauce back for now because I've got my plate to arrange. I want my plate to look beautiful. Beauty is always uplifting. And actually, I want a teeny bit more broccoli, I think. Yeah, or maybe a teeny bit more. A little bit here. Divine. And you can find this recipe exclusively on Ocado.com.